I have developed a small application where I can able to measure the weight of my mobile through wireless. This is completely wireless. I have developed one app where I can measure the weight of my mobile phone over internet. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Ravi Electronics for you. Today we are going to learn about how to measure weight at home. It's like we are having some load cell and we are having some IoT based device and we are going to measure the weight over internet. Here we can able to measure the weight in terms of grams also we can measure. Now in this one I am going to show you how to measure the weight of my mobile phone. Have you ever measured the weight of mobile phone? Now I will show you how to measure the weight of our mobile phone. I have developed a small application in my mobile which can able to measure the weight of my phone. And this is the application where we can measure the weight of the phone. Not only phone, you can measure anything over internet. This is a completely wireless. You can able to measure the weight over internet. This is generally called as a IoT, where it is called as a IoT. So it is Internet of Things, where you can able to measure the sensor values from remote. Like for example, you are having some sensor or you are having some remote camera where you have placed at your home. You can able to see the activities over internet also. So this is in general called as a IoT. Now it is evolving technology. I wanted to show you like what are the IoT devices we can use at home and how to use it. So this is the best example where I can show that what I have developed for the IoT. This is the one example I am having. This is the load cell which can measure up to 10 kgs, and this is a preamplifier, and this is a one microcontroller which is having a Wi-Fi inbuilt. So this is completely in a box. We can keep it, and this is called as a IoT device which can measure the weight. Now I have developed one small application for this. This is the app. In this app, I can able to see what is the weight, actual weight of any device. Now this is the one I can able to see here. It's a Ravi Electronics for my channel name, and weight you can able to see here. And since it is a 10 kg load, up to how much of percentage the weight cell, the load cell is weighted, that you can see in terms of percentage over here. So to know more details, please subscribe to my channel. Further videos will be more about in detail. We are going to see about this complete, what is load cell and what is preamplifier, what is IoT and all things. Now I am going to measure my mobile weight. This is a J7 Max. I am keeping this J7 Max on the load cell. You can see the weight it is showing is a 180, and you can refer in the website the Samsung J7 Max. This is a Samsung J7 Max. It is showing 179 grams. So we are having accuracy of at least, since I am having the front panel also, that is tampered glass, only it is having a variation of 1 gram over here. I have measured 180 grams here. I measured here 180. The value shown in the website is 179 grams. Now this is a simple sanitizer. The weight of this sanitizer is, they mentioned it is 50 grams. In fact it is 50 grams, and I am measuring this. You can see that the weight of this one is 50 grams. So like this we can able to measure anything at home. So if you want to measure any small things like here in terms of grams also, you can do this type of setup and you can measure over internet. So it is completely wireless. You can have the display at anywhere in your home and you can able to see what is the weight of that. Please do subscribe to my channel for this kind of interesting projects. Thank you.